Hello everybody, welcome. Our next plant is Portulacaria pygmaea. My last video was Portulacaria namaquensis. This is a relative of that. Portulacaria family, in the general, probably going to be lumped into the Crassulaceae, I'm not sure, but Portulacaria pygmaea. This beautiful plant is from Namibia, from very dry areas of Namibia. And this is one of my oldest plants. This plant was purchased again in 1999. So it's very old. For me, it's old. I'm only 40, so it's an old plant for me. Been very slow growing. It's a nice bonsai plant. It makes just a natural thick trunk. When I purchased this plant, it was this big, just a little nub, and it's grown pretty much in its own shape. I haven't had to do too much pruning on this plant. I've tried propagating it. It's been very difficult. I've not been able to root this particular plant. And I believe when I purchased this plant, the man at the nursery said it was a seed grown plant, and it looked like it. I could almost see the cotyledons still attached to the base. So I think this is more of a seed-grown plant than a cutting one, though I could be wrong. It's in full bloom. It's hard to tell. But if we zoom in slowly, there you go. You can see those little flowers. Very small, kind of nondescript. There's the foliage. Very knobby growth. The plant has a knobby growth. Here's a dead branch. The plant, I have noticed that this plant self-prunes. And what that means is that when it gets dry, it just kills off branches it doesn't need. That's why I don't really prune this thing. It has its own shape. I haven't really had to prune it. So it's kind of done its own thing in this pot. It's been in this pot for quite a long time. And I don't plan on replanting it. Look at that bug there. So I don't plan on replanting this for quite a while. But this is Portulacaria pygmaea from Namaqualand. Full sun again. I water this one pretty frequently. It gets about weekly watering once a week with diluted fertilizer. It's been outside the entire time I've had it here in Southern California. When it gets below 30, though, I do bring it in, so I don't subject it to frost. But other than that, it takes all the weather we've had here for that time, since 1999. I don't think it would be very frost hardy, so if below 30, I'd put it in. And if you're looking for a bonsai plant, this is probably one of the best you can do, because it naturally does this shape, and it's very slow. It takes forever to grow. I've not pruned this one at all to shape, just very lightly. I'm not sure how available this plant is. I'm sure it's probably hard to get a hold of, because it would probably be kind of difficult from cuttings and take forever from seeds. But Serraria namaquensis, related to this, was supposedly difficult to do cuttings from, but I found it easy when I put those cuttings in the summer. However, this is a different plant, so I'm not sure if it's as easy as namaquensis. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. This is Portulacaria pygmaea. The pygmy Portulacaria.